Today we'll learn how to find 15/16 of an inch on a ruler or tape measure. Let's start by looking at a standard ruler. On most rulers, each inch is divided into 16 equal parts. These small marks represent 1/16 of an inch each. To find 15/16, let's look at some reference points first. Here's 1/2 inch, or 8/16. Here's 3/4 or 12/16. And 15/16 will be just one mark before the 1-inch line. Let's count the marks to verify. Starting from 0, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15/16. As a decimal, 15/16 is equal to 0.9375 inches. This means it's very close to 1 inch with just 1/16 remaining. Remember these key points. First, look for the major divisions of quarters and halves. Then, count the smaller marks if needed. And finally, 15/16 will always be